Familia, I've been putting off cleaning my fridge for a very long time, so let's clean this thing. This is what we're working with. Un reguero. This is unfortunate. This has been here for like a few months. I opened it once and it didn't. Yeah, trash. This feta cheese is still good. Coconut cream. Still smells good. Homemade sazon. Ground beef. I just made this the other day. This is really good to have in your fridge because you can do tacos. You can do this over some sweet potatoes. So some more sour cream. Poquito, if you know, you know. I just found this in the back of my fridge. Fresh fruit. I'm gonna cut this up and make it like a fruit bowl. Yeah, this is. Yeah, I'll make a charcuterie. So I have 3 sitting in the back of the fridge. Cilantro. More fruit. This is the ham steak that I normally buy. Fridge is empty. Some soap in here, hot water. All right, fridge is clean. All right, and this is the after. Everything's cleaned and organized.